Hi, I'm Kevin, and I don't need 3D glasses to see in 3D.
But it's cool. I'm David, and we are here to show you some use of hologram, not only in science fiction films, but in everyday stuff.
If you want to buy a book with 3D covers, you need some money
And there you can see a hologram,
and a hologram again.
or you can pay with a credit card, which also contains a hologram. Here you can see a hologram security label. Can we make hologram?
Yes, we can.
And we will.
Hi, I'm Nicole. Today we're gonna make a pyramid without the top, and we need 4 pieces like this one.
My name is Alan. Material is plexiglass. We will use it chinor.
Hi, I'm Paolo. Watch your fingers.
Hi, my name is Sarah. My job is to connect these 4 pieces into a pyramid.
We're using super glue and it sticks in seconds.
Now that we're done with the pyramid, we should record a video in the dark.
This is the final product. My head is spinning in space. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want, you can try to make one. See ya!
After that, we have to adopt the video for PowerPoint presentation.
This is the final product. My head is spinning in space. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want, you can try to make one. See ya!
Lights off. Play the video.